So if y'all like fishing, especially fishing in Florida, especially bank fishing, pond fishing, bass fishing, if you like all that stuff, just know I got a 100 Florida ponds series coming up this January. And so for 2026, I'm going to be dropping 100 long form videos on YouTube. I'm going to be doing more than that, but for this series alone, I'm going to be dropping 100 long form videos. So a 100 Florida ponds concept. I'll release more details when we get closer to January, but this is going to release in January. And right now, I just wanted to let y'all know, if you're a fellow creator, you're a small creator, maybe you're a big creator, and you have ponds that are good ponds to fish here in Florida, especially Central Florida, so I don't have to drive as far. You know, I'm in like just north of Tampa kind of area, but I will be traveling a little bit for this series. I don't have sponsors, so I won't be traveling a lot, but I'll travel a little bit. And so any of y'all out there want to collab, want to show me some of your ponds, you have some really good ponds that, you know, we could make some cool content and you could be on my channel. You know, I don't have to be on your channel. I could if you want me to be, but you know, I'll show love to others, that sort of thing, and it doesn't need to be reciprocated. And so yeah, hit me up, DM me, all that good stuff, and let me know about your ponds, and you know, we could go crash some ponds together possibly. You know, I mean, if I get a lot of responses, I may not be able to, you know, collab with too many people. I don't know that will happen, but yeah, just let me know. And shout out to Tyler's Real Fishing, because he was kind of the OG of the 100 ponds concept. I've seen Andre Leon 904 also do it. He's done it differently, and then I'm gonna be doing it differently as well. So I'm gonna have my own spin on it, just like Andre Leon 904 did. And then gotta shout out Tyler for being the OG of the 100 Florida ponds concept. Whenever I get inspired by others, I try to give them credit, because I know when others have taken stuff from me and never gave me any credit, I was always like, really? But I try not to be a hypocrite. All right, so if y'all out there, y'all got some banger ponds that you're like, oh, he's gotta come fish with me, hit me up, hit me up, hit me up. All right, I'm out. Peace.